In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Notion. We'll take your Outlook calendar, make a safe, read-only web link, and then embed that live view directly inside a Notion page. This is quick, reliable, and keeps your schedule in one place without duplicating events. Start by opening Outlook. From there, go to the File menu to access your app's settings. In the Settings area, open the Calendar section so you can manage how your calendar is shared. Look for Shared Calendars. This is where Outlook lets you publish a calendar to the web. In the Publish Calendar area, pick the specific calendar you want to display in Notion. Many people have more than one, so double-check you've selected the right one, like your main work or personal calendar. For permissions, choose Can View. This setting ensures the calendar is read only for anyone with the link, which is what you want for embedding. Viewing only, no editing. Once that's set, click Publish. Outlook will generate public links for your calendar. You'll typically see an HTML link that opens a web view of the calendar and sometimes an ICS link for subscriptions. For our Notion embed, the HTML link is usually the best choice because it renders a live calendar page inside Notion. Copy the link you just created. Now switch over to Notion. Create a new page or open an existing page where you want the calendar to live. In the page body, type // and choose Embed. When the embed box appears, paste the Outlook calendar link you copied, then click Embed. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your Outlook calendar appear right inside your Notion page. From here, you can title the page however you like to keep things organized. If the calendar looks cramped, you can drag the embed's corners or adjust the block's width to make it easier to read. The best part is that the calendar stays in sync. When events change in Outlook, the embedded view in Notion updates automatically, so you don't have to do anything extra. If your Outlook interface looks a little different, don't worry. Menu names can vary slightly depending on your version, but the path is the same idea. Open Outlook, get to Calendar Settings, find Shared Calendars, publish with Can View, copy the link and embed it in Notion. That's all there is to it. You now have your Outlook calendar neatly embedded in Notion for quick viewing alongside your notes and projects.